Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us continue coordinate geometry. First example, one mark question. The distance between the origin and 3, minus 4 is. We know that the coordinates of origin are 0, 0 and the distance between the origin and point is root of x square plus y square. Here we need to square the given points. That's all. We need to square the given points. Here x square, this is x coordinate, y coordinate, x square 3 square plus y square minus 4 square. 3 square is 9, minus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 root 25 or 5 square here 5 units. Distance between the origin and point 3, minus 4 is 5 units. Next example, write section formula. Here write section formula. Coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:n or internally or mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:n internally or mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Next example, if the points k, 3, 0, 2 and 0, 1 are collinear, what is the value of k? Here we need to find the value of k given that points are collinear. Since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. That is, area of a triangle formula half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 must be is equal to 0. Here substitute the value of x1 y1 k, 3 x2 y2 0, 2 x3 y3 0, 1. Substitute here x1 k, y2 2 minus y3 1 plus x2 0 y3 1 minus y1 3 plus x3 0 y1 3 2 is equal to 0. Here this is 0 into 0 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, 2 minus 1 1 k half into k is equal to 0, or it implies k is equal to 0. The value of k is 0. Next example, if the distance between the 2 points p minus 2, minus 3 and q 6, y is 10 units, find the value of y. Here we need to find the value of y, distance between the 2 points PQ. So by using The distance formula PQ, distance between the points PQ, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 y1 minus 2 comma minus 3, x2 y2 6 comma y, and PQ 10 units. PQ 10 units. Substitute here 10, square root of x2 6 minus plus 2 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 minus plus 3 whole square. Here to remove square root, square on both sides, square on both the sides, we get 10 square. Here square root cancel, 6 plus 2 whole square, 8 square 64 plus y plus 3 square. 100 minus 64 is equal to y plus 3 whole square. 100 minus 64 is 36. 36 is equal to y plus 3 whole square. This is 6 square y plus 3 whole square, or it implies y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. Here two cases, y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 and y plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to value of y plus 6 minus 3, 3. Here minus 6 minus 3, 9. Therefore the value of y is plus 3, or value of y is minus 9. Here minus 9. Next example, find the distance between the points 2 comma minus 2 and 14 comma 10. Let A 2 comma minus 2 and B 14 comma 10 are the given points. Distance between the points A, B, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 14 minus 2 whole square plus 10 minus plus 2 whole square. 14 minus 2 12, 12 square plus 12 square. Here 12 square into 2, or 12 root 2. Next example, write the formula for area of triangle having the vertices at x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. Area of a triangle half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is the formula for area of triangle. Next, the midpoint of the line segment P x1 comma y1 to Q x2 comma y2. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Next example, find the distance between the coordinates 2, 3 and 1, minus 7. Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 1 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus 7 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 square, 100. Here root 101 units. Next example, find the area of a triangle by the points A 5,2, B 4,7 and C 7, -4. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Here substitute half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. x1 5 y2 7 y3 plus 4 x2 4 y3 minus 4 y1 2 x3 minus 4 x3 7 y1 2 y2 7. Half into 7 plus 4 11 11 into 5 55 minus 6 4 24 2 5 minus 5 into 7 35. Here 35 24 59 minus 59 plus 55 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 2. Since area of a triangle cannot be negative, area of a triangle ABC cannot be negative, therefore area of triangle is plus 2 square units. Last example, median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. Here ABC is a triangle. Here A, B, C, A 4, -6, B 3, -2, C 5, 2. Here D is the midpoint of side BC, AD is the median. Here let the vertices of the triangle be A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. Let D be the midpoint of side BC of triangle ABC. Therefore AD is the median in the triangle ABC. Here let us find coordinates of D using midpoint formula. D is the midpoint of side BC. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 8 by 2 4, 0. Coordinates of D 4, 0. Now let us find area of triangle ABD. We need to verify the two triangles of equal areas. Here area of triangle ABD half into area of a triangle formula x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Here half into x1 ABD, x1 4, y2 minus 2, y3 0 plus x2 3, y3 0 minus minus plus 6 plus x3 4, y1 minus 6, y2 minus minus plus 2 minus 8 plus 18, simplify, minus 4 minus 6, 4 4s are 16, minus 16 minus 8 minus 24, minus 24 plus 18 minus 6 minus 3 square units. Since area of triangle cannot be negative, therefore area of triangle ABD is plus 3 square units. Let us find area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC, half into x1 4, x1 y2 minus y3 0 minus 2, y2 minus y3 plus x2 4, y3 minus y1 minus minus plus x3 5, y1 x3 y1 minus y2 minus 6 minus 0, half into 8 minus 8 plus 8 4s are 32 minus 5 30. Here minus 30 minus 8 minus 38 minus 38 plus 32 minus 6 by 2 minus 3. Here also area of a triangle cannot be negative, therefore area of triangle ADC is plus 3 square units. Therefore area of both the sides, area of both the triangles are same. Hence result is verified. Median AD has divided triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. Hence median AD has divided triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas.